Hey guys, today we're at Auto Imagination and we have two new products here being launched by them, which is the new TEIN suspension, the EnduroPro Series. We have Mr. Yasushi here, the director of TEIN, to explain about the new suspension. Mr.
Hello.
Yasushi.
Yeah, my name is Yasushi Furubayashi. I'm director of the TEIN Japan. So this is the first time for me to come over here and stay here now 4 days. So now I realized our new product will fit to this market and we can satisfy the customer in Brunei. So he can explain product feature, what is the advantage, what is the benefit for new product.
All right, could you explain us how does your suspension works?
Okay.
And how does it compare to the competitors that you have right now in the market?
Okay. Good. Hello. My name is Tomoaki Himeno. I'm look after overseas sales manager. Let me explain our new product, EnduroPro and EnduroPro Plus. Okay. Our new product, EnduroPro and EnduroPro Plus, is a standard shape suspension. But our standard shape suspension is not just normal replacement shock absorber. It's more premium side. So compare with the other brand, you see the more thicker bottom bracket, bigger damper body, meaning more larger oil capacity and more bigger piston rod. So our product is more durable, and also our product concept is a ride comfort. You see, the Brunei road condition is not nice, you know. So when through the
Very bumpy.
very bumpy. So when through the speed bump or maybe through the pothole, you normally have the bottoming out and makes bad feeling.
Correct.
But our product are unique feature equipped, which we call hydronic bump stopper. It's in short HBS we call.
All right.
And this HBS system gives you a ride quality to avoid bottoming out. So this feature is feedback from the our motorsports activities. So very durable and unique suspension system. No other brand do it like that. And also another point is you can play soft and hard damping force.
Right. So it's more adjustable for
More adjustable to suit
the driving style.
Yeah. So if you want to make it stiffer, just turn it towards clockwise. If you want to make it softer, just anti-clockwise.
Alright.
And then you can get get good ride comfort.
Dynamics. It's more dynamic.
Yeah.
All right.
So this is a kind of our basic explanation for our EnduroPro Plus. And together with we have the very unique system which we call
Alright.
ED.
And so we have the EDFC here.
Yeah.
So can you care to explain?
Yep. So our EDFC is a very unique product. This controller is equipped G sensor inside. So this G sensor picks the G force and adjust damping force four-wheel independently, and also automatically depending on G force and speeding. So you can use a GPS kit as optional kit, and this GPS kit picking the speed signal. So like you're driving on the street, maybe this controller can adjust damping force more softer on the city driving, but more stiffer on the motorway. So you can have the confidence with your driving.
All right.
So this is our unique product. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you for explaining.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for explaining. And I think that's all for the TEIN new products. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.